guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be playing the maths school game called Sumdog. So it's all about maths, as I just said. It's super fun. You can buy stuff for your house, can get a wee pet. It's super fun, and you can play games and stuff. So I thought I would just share it with you guys, just so you could maybe go tell your school about it and stuff. So yeah. So I've logged on to Sumdog and I'm all ready to go. Sorry if you can't really see it, but yeah. So that's it. That's my bunny rabbit. This is Snow White, guys. Just gonna go into my house. Now this is very bad camera skilling. I don't know if that's a word. So this is my Sumdog avatar. This is Snow White. And Snow White can do tricks. If you just press them, it'll come up with food, and then that's all the tricks that she's learned. So the first trick. That's funny. Second trick. Third trick. Fourth trick. I love that wee one. It's dead cute. Oh. Sounds funny. Oh. And I like this one as well. Bye bye. Bye bye, Snow White. Now, this is my house. And you can see that. Just press it. And so, up here, I've got some binders, a diary, a stapler, and some sellotape. I've got a love picture. My finger's in the way. I've got a love picture. Picture of a horse. Some lipstick, some makeup brushes, and some eyeshadow. If I move over, I have got a beanbag. And then move over a bit, I have got pencils, some pens, and a phone and a desk. And then I've got my stuff. And then got a wee kitchen, got a table. Now on my table I have got some cookies, and I've got some sandwiches, I've got a watermelon, and I've got a milkshake. So I've got a fridge, then I've got a cooker, and then that's all I've got in my house. And you can see here you've got Face, 3D Face, Clothes, Decorate, Garden, Store, and you've got Casey Lyle, Log Out, Friends, and Parent Teacher. So I'm going to go on and I'm going to go on to Gift. I'm going to give my friends some gifts. So the gifts that I have already given to the day